This new moon that is happening on Aquarius this February is a time of innovation. It's a time for us to think outside the box, to think in ways that we've never thought of before. This new moon in Aquarius is a time of innovation, forward thinking, and progress. It's a time for us to think, like I said, outside of the box. It is time for you to embrace your individuality and to celebrate how unique you truly are, your uniqueness, everything that comes with you. And it is also a time for you to connect with people that are actually interested in what you like, not being superficial, not being fake, not just being with someone just because they're popular. Be Find the people and be with the people that you share common interests with, okay? During this time, you may have an urge of feeling to let go of old ways of thinking, of old ways of doing your routines, and you may feel more called to try new experiences, new routines. This is because your soul is calling you to try these new experiments so you can find your true self, so you can experiment who you are authentically, because Aquarius is a very authentic person, a very authentic sign. So it's calling you, it's pulling you to go try this, go try that. If you have like that feeling, oh, I want to go do this, oh, I want to go do that, I should start, doing this kind of routine, go for it, try it out. And when you do, you will find that you will find your people, you will find you, your true you. You won't be hiding away from yourself. It is a time for you to trust your instincts and to listen to your instincts, because the more you listen to them, the more they work for you. The less you listen to them, the less you'll be able to hear them. The new moon is all about new beginnings. New moon, new beginnings, fresh starts. So think about it. Ask yourself, what is something that I need to start? What is something that I should work on? What is something that I can fix in my life? What are the routines that I should be switching up or fixing or having? What is something that I need to work on to get to my goal? Because we all have goals, right? How can I get to my goal in a different way? Think outside the box. So now, this new moon in Aquarius, based on your rising sign, if you are an Aries rising, you should focus on your social circles and your group activities. Focus on connecting with people that have a mindset like you, you're like-minded people, and to grow the people that you know, your connections. Now, Taurus rising, this is the perfect time for you to focus on your personal growth and your self-discovery. I know you always want to think about that money, but right now you need to focus on you. Like, how can you make your personal life better? What is it that you need personally in your life? Not material. It's not always about material. I know you always think about this, but not around this time, right? Around this time, you need to focus on you. Now, Gemini rising, this is the perfect time for you to focus on your career, on your public image. This is the perfect time for you to set those career goals and for you to actually go for it. This is the time for you to make a list, make a plan, and for you to strive on actually working on those career moves. Now, Cancer rising, you may find yourself feeling more adventurous or curious. You may find that you want to learn something new or that you want to go to a new place. So go sign up to a new class or book that flight to visit that place that you've been wanting to go and explore. Leo rising, you may be feeling reflective and introspective. This is the perfect time for you to work on your emotional well-being and for you to heal those wounds that you may be having. Stop neglecting yourself and focus on your emotions and your wounds if you need to heal. Virgo rising, you may be feeling more social and outgoing, focusing on your friendships and on your community. So, this is the perfect time for you to find new friends, find new connections, and have fun. Libra rising, this is the perfect time for you to be creative, to be romantic, feel in that love that is in the air, February 14, and to just have fun. If you have kids, focus on giving them attention. If you don't, focus on giving your inner child what your inner child needs. Focus on having fun and being in a mind of a child, having fun. Like children, they just want to have fun. So be in that energy. For you, Scorpio rising, this is the perfect time for you to think about your home, your family, and life. How do you feel at home? Are you feeling neglected, or do you want to have a more homey vibe to your house? Really think about it. When you come home, is your home giving you that homey feeling to it? If it isn't, work around that. What can you do to make your home feel more homey? If you are having family problems, how can you fix those problems? What can you do to fix your family dynamics? Work around your home and family life around this time. Sagittarius rising, so you can expect a very busy month this time. And it's a very perfect month because it is all about communication for you to be able to communicate how you feel and what you need to say. And when I say this, I don't mean to say like rudely. No, no, no. We are all respectful here because we are all adults, right? Well, if you are an adult, we're all adults. We speak with respect, right? And when someone is speaking to you, you need to be able to truly listen to what they are saying because they might be telling you something that you need to know. Okay? So be very mindful of listening to others and not just zoning out while they're talking. Listen and communicate very effectively this month. Capricorn rising is all about that money and the possessions for you around this new moon in Aquarius. So I suggest that you think on how you can increase these values, the money, the possessions. What can you do? Think about it. You should start saving. You should start using your talents to make more money. How can you make money? Ask yourself that and work towards that. Aquarius rising, this new moon in Aquarius is all about you. So focus on your personal growth and your self discovery. How can you find the real you, the real authentic you? Go on a deep dive and find yourself. Focus on yourself. Learn about yourself. You know, pay attention to yourself. If you haven't been dressing up, doing your maintenance on yourself, go ahead and do that. You deserve better. Give yourself what you wish someone would give you. Just because somebody doesn't love you or give you attention, why aren't you giving that to yourself? You should be your number one supporter, follower, your number one, I don't know, you should be lifting yourself up every single day. So around this time, focus on how you can improve your personal growth. Now, lastly, Pisces rising. Around this time, you may want to, book a Airbnb, out in the woods, or you may just want some peace and quiet. You may just want to be alone around this time. You may just want to be like introverted. You might be in hermit mode around this time. And this is because you are thinking about your secret self, everything that is hidden, everything that no one else knows, every things that you might be going through that nobody around really knows about and you might not even want to tell them about. And this is a time for you to go within. This is a time for you to, if you've never meditated, this is a perfect time for you to start meditating, for you to listen to what your intuition is telling you. If you are having crazy ass dreams right now, This is the time for you to write them down and for you to decipher them. This is the time for you to go deep within yourself. I hope this helps you around this new moon in Aquarius. And if